Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today is Thursday and it is January the 22nd, 2026. All right, so what have I been doing? Well, I've been making hats, and this one is for a particular customer. Yesterday I made three dark ones, a gray, a blue, and I think I can't remember what the third color was, but I did um, three different colors. I think it was a brown. But this week she's getting lighter colors, a pink. This one's kind of like a peach color and a yellow. So that's I have to deliver this to the customer. And I haven't finished making my squirrel. I'm still making it. This is from Complicated Knots. So I'm following her pattern. And yesterday was Pokeball Day, so I made a bunch of Pokeballs, as you can see. And I sell these a lot. I make a lot of these for my aunt in Hawaii, so she can sell it in her craft show. But I ran out, so I made 6 new ones. And a lot of the Pokemon fans love to get a hold of one of these, especially the little boys. They love the Pokeballs. So the day before that, I made these cute little bears from Complicated Knots. All right, I made it. The first one was the black. I shouldn't have started with the black because I was following your pattern, and I got stuck here. I don't know why, and I didn't want to keep reading her pattern, so I just created the other bottom half by my. So this one stands and this one sits, so you can stand this way, but then it can sit up. This is her pattern. Okay, and I did it in a lighter color, and this is so cute. I think the more I make it, I'll be familiar. I'll be familiar of how to follow her patterns, because everybody writes patterns different, so it's just the way how you interpret their way of thinking. But that's one of the top YouTube channels that I watch is Complicated Knots. I did make her raccoon. Now these raccoons are so cute, and she does use a lot of acrylic yarn just like me. So the more experienced crocheters are usually can do the smaller yarn, and if you see crocheters with the bigger yarn, and you don't see them, they have a hard time using the little yarn. But it just depends. I'm using both, but I love making my plushies with the acrylic because I started using acrylic yarn since I was little. So, and I'm 64 now. So, and this is the skunk that I made. I think this is so cute, the skunk. I also made the koala from who's it from? I forgot her name. Let me look it up. It's not Complicated Knots. It's Cozy Buckeye. Cozy Buckeye pattern it's just a koala, but then she had one with a hanging leaf, so I added the leaf in its mouth, and I think these are going to really sell really well at my markets. And other items I've made here, but I'm going to finish making this squirrel right now before I end this video. But I do want to share with you the koi fishes I made. These are going to be, I don't know how much I want to sell these, maybe $50. because my Chinese dragons are 60. So I might just, these are pretty good sizes. But I did make two. And this is a blue. I do want to make one in black with the yellow spots. And then I want to make this cow. I have one in the garage. This is the second one, but I want to make like 3 or 4 more of these because they sell really fast. So I have to get that ready for March. And then I have to make more starfish. The starfishes, the little girls love the starfishes. And I think I'm going to make a few of them in a keychain. To hang them with my keychains. My keychains, I sell them for $10. So if you look at my markets, I have lots of inventory already. But I have to keep making because that's what we do. Crocheters, designers do that. We just love to crochet constantly. And I'm into the dogs and the cat patterns with the blanket. I'm going to share with you one of my dogs, and it comes with a bed blanket. So I've made these, and I've made a cat here. Let me get one of the cats. Okay, here's one of the cats with the blanket. It's so cute, the cat. So I have cat and dogs. If you want to adopt a pet, you can. And I don't know how fast they're going to sell because that's the first time I made them with the bed. So, and I think that's about it for today. I just wanted to share this video with all of you. And thank you for watching. Watch my videos. Support my videos by leaving some comments. I don't have that many comments. I don't know why, but maybe I'm not promoting my YouTube channel as much. But yeah, please do leave comments if you love my channel. Let me know. And I will get back with all of you later. So subscribe to my channel. Watch my videos. Call to action is watch the next video, after that, the next video, after that, the next video, and then watch my other YouTube channels too as well. All right, bye everyone. I will talk to you all soon. Bye.